It's Jan 21, Tuesday, CS797K, lecture 1. So this is about course metadata. So we'll just see what this course is all about. CS797K, advanced topics in data storage. Time Monday, Wednesday, 12:30 to 1:45 p.m. Tuesday, Thursday is going to be 11 a.m. to 12:15 p.m. Jabara 226. Monday, Wednesday going to be Woolsey 333. So you can attend any classes like Monday, Wednesday, or Tuesday, Thursday. You can even attend Monday, Thursday, or Tuesday, Wednesday. So Monday and Tuesday gonna be the same lecture, and Wednesday and Thursday gonna be the same lecture. So you can attend any time. I mean any class. We will be the instructors, Professor Alden Wilner and me gonna teach this semester. So I'm gonna teach this Tuesday, Thursday, and professor gonna teach on Monday and Wednesday class. Yeah, we can mix it up. So 212 Jabara gonna be the office. So Professor Wilner core hours will be 2:30 p.m. to 4 p.m. on Monday and 1:30 to 3 on Tuesday. So you can contact him through mail or Teams at allen.wilner@vista.edu, and you can contact me through appointment from my email and MS Teams. So just message me that you want to meet me or we need to discuss something. So I'm gonna give you some time to meet. We can agree on some time to meet. So this is my email and Teams. So Blackboard messages, you can still send it, but we do not prefer to see the Blackboard messages. It's better to send messages on Teams, MS Teams. So this is the phone number of the professor's phone number. So just try to text him. Don't try to call him. Just use the phone number for just urgent matters. Don't try to irritate him. Yeah. And spring 2025 academic dates. The first day of class begins today, Jan 21st. So you can cancel. I mean, the class was canceled this Thursday for the synchronization. So there is no class this Thursday. So yeah. So you don't need to attend the class on Thursday. So this is just for the synchronization. Like Monday and Wednesday be the same classes. Tuesday and Thursday the same class. Just to sync. And last day to withdrawal with nothing on record is next month, the 3rd, Feb the 3rd. And first midterm will be on Feb 26 and Feb 27. And March 17 to 23 gonna be a spring break. All these dates are tentative and we may change the midterm dates as well. We are not supposed to do that for now, but yeah, we'll see what happens. Last day to withdrawal with W, that's gonna be on April 4. And you can see the dates for second midterm, final exam, makeup final if needed. We are planning not to keep makeup final, but if there is some urgency or if you have some health issues and may not be attending the final exam, you can very well use the makeup final dates. But we do need some proof to do that. So yeah, yeah, we'll get to yeah. And yep, that's all it. So we have 3 exams in total: first midterm, second midterm, and final. What is this course about? As the name says, data storage, of course. So from the course catalog, I think you already saw that in the course catalog. Examines the history of computer data storage, the current state of the technology, looks at possible future developments, examines RAID, storage concepts, file systems, databases, object storage, and cloud storage. The course is experimental and exploratory. Students' interest drives topics and research projects. So this is all about the data storage. We have data, everyone has data. It's about storing the data. More generally, though, it is more about the things we do efficiently and securely store, manage, and move our data. It's not about using the data or processing our data. It's about storing the data. So it's about the part we make the soup, not how we make the soup. The course outline: data storage, basic parity bit protection. You will learn Hamming code, block based protection, RAID and complex RAID. So read Solomon coding, diagonal parity, RAID DP, diagonal parity. So file stream based protection, CRC encryption, secure deletion, compression, Huffman coding, Lempel, and arithmetic. We're gonna try to keep arithmetic. We still haven't decided if arithmetic gonna be in this semester. For the data management, file systems, databases, distributed systems, metadata, cloud storage, data moving, information theory, convolutional coding, Viterbi algorithm, turbo, LDPC code, 8-bit, 10-bit, coding for limited channels, base 64 coding, compression. Again, yep. So this is gonna be the course outline, I guess. Yeah, the other topics, basics like covering history of data storage, virtualization, cloud, parallel processing. So this is basically the course outline which we're gonna learn throughout the semester. Class protocol, this is gonna be in-person class, except for today. The weather is not good, so it's online, but we highly encourage you people to come into the class from the next lecture. So arrive on time. Recordings will be made available on Blackboard. I'm going to show you how the Blackboard is gonna work. All the exams are in person. So part of your grade will be based on the attendance. The attendance will be taken in person. The online people won't be getting attendance except for today. So try to be in class for attendance. Lectures, assignments, project milestones, and other course material will be posted on Blackboard. You are responsible for monitoring Blackboard regularly. We will be measuring attendance. We'll choose random dates, not every session, maybe every session, we don't know. May scan WSU IDs. So don't forget your WSU IDs. We are not planning to scan this semester, but it's a good idea to take WSU IDs with you. So we measure in-class users for the attendance as well. So if you must miss a class, please contact me or professor or GTA as soon as you can. It is your responsibility to make up missed classes. So planned for a mix of large and small homeworks, dates and due dates announced in class, submit via Blackboard. You know the submission of Blackboard, it accepts any kind of files, documents, PDFs, IPython notebook files. After selected homeworks, we may conduct short interviews to verify comprehensions like vivas. We may, it's not mandatory, or we don't know. Let's see what happens. So the small homeworks, the large homework scoring will be 25 points each, 5 points allocated to Viva. We are planning, yeah, and again, we not know anything for sure. Small homework scoring will be 1 point each, and did do or didn't do basis. It was not graded by TS. If you submit, you'll get a point for small homework. So it's simple, easy, and yep, it's easy to get. So 1 point each if you submit. Yeah, we won't we will see what the submission you did, but the score's not gonna be the matter or the text you have submitted. Okay. There are two sections of this class. So each exam will be presented twice. Similar but not identical questions will be presented on different exam sets. Each student is expected to take the exam only once. So yeah, we have two sections. So we need to keep two different exams on 2 different days. Both the exams are similar but not same questions. They're not identical questions. And students should take only once. Each student should take exam once. Don't take the exam on both the days. Class protocol 5, get assistance. If you are having trouble understanding the material, please contact me, our professor, or GTA. The schedule may change over the semester. I will post updates on Blackboard. Recommendation for success, check your student email daily. Grading plans for this semester. Attendance will be 5%. It's easy to get. Just attend all the classes in person, you will get 5%. Little homeworks will be 5%. Just submit it. You will get points. We don't check. I mean, the points are based on your submission, not on your text or your matter. Yeah, big homeworks will be 20% of your total grade. Exams will be 35%. Labs will be 15%. It may change a little. Okay, a project will be 20%. So lab count on certain points may be reassigned. Grade threshold. So 94 to 100 gonna be A, 90 to 93 gonna be A minus. And you can see on the presentation. So the grades will be rounded. I mean, the grade thresholds will be rounded. For example, if you get 93.5, that's gonna be 94, so it's A. If you have 93.4999, it's gonna be 93, so that's A minus. Academic integrity, all the homeworks, assignments in this course are individual assignments. You can discuss homeworks with others, but you cannot write the solution together. So submission should be substantially different from others. You can discuss with your friends, you can discuss your homeworks with your peers, you can all work together, but don't submit the same document. Yeah, don't submit the same homework. And integrity 2, there will be severe consequences for academic dishonesty. This includes copying homework, programming assignments, cheating during exams. We reserve the right to hold post assignment viva interviews to confirm your comprehension. Okay, that's called vivas. Okay, so at academic integrity 3, any student found guilty of academic dishonesty will receive a minus 100 of this work, as well as having the course grade lowered 1 full letter grade, in addition to any penalties assessed like supervision, expulsion, probation. This applies to all the parties involved, I mean, including the ones who helped you. So don't help others and don't copy from others. You both will be in trouble. Be aware that we don't have to catch you or even notice you while teaching, I mean, while cheating during the exams. We could catch you later based on any unusual similarities in your answers. If we, we can catch you with your answer papers as well. So it's not like catching you at the time of incident. We can catch you after the incident as well. So be aware of that. Academic integrity 4, if you cheat, you won't learn. If you don't learn, you won't be prepared to do the work after you graduate. If you don't work, you will be fired. So cheating is bad. Don't cheat. Assignment 1, integrity contract, that's already made available for you guys on Blackboard. So sign and return the integrity contract by the due date. It's listed as small homework 1 in Blackboard course materials. You will need to provide or create a digital certificate. You will need to save a copy of the field file. Adobe helps you for the reference. Just use the link for the help you need. Consider saving the field contract to use for the other CS classes as well. Integrity contract is must. You should be submitting it before the, it's a mandatory assignment. Disabilities. If you have a physical, psychiatric, emotional, or learning disabilities that may impact on your ability to carry out assigned coursework, please contact the Office of Student Accommodations Plus Testing, OSAT. So this is the phone number for Shocker Success Center, room 118. DS will review your concerns and determine with you what academic accommodations are needed and appropriate for you. This information is confidential. OSAT will not release it without your written permission. So if you need any extra accommodations, please contact them. They will help you and they'll reach out to us through mail. Counseling and Prevention Services, WSO Counseling and Prevention Services, CAPS, provides quality mental health services to enrolled students by licensed providers on presents programs and trainings on topics promoting personal growth and optimal well-being. Services are by appointment, low cost and confidential, located in YMCA Student Wellness Center. That's the telephone number, hours, and if you have any mental health emergency after hours, please call 911. Crisis service at the phone number we given on slides for 24 hours assistance. Civil Rights Title 9 and ADA Compliance, CTAC. The Office of Civil Rights Title 9 and ADA Compliance is committed to preventing and eliminating discrimination or harassment based on age, ancestry, color, disability, gender, gender expression, gender identity, genetic information, marital status, national origin, political affiliation, pregnancy, race, religion, sex, sexual orientation, veteran status, and really retaliation. If you have anything for the Title IX compliance, please visit us or visit the room located at Shocker Success Center in Suite 017. That's the mail for Title IX compliance. So remember, we are the mandatory Title IX reporters. So if we see anything that's violating Title IX, by law, we need to, compliance and make them aware of the incident. So even if you do not complain us, so if you want something to complain, you can just come us and complain to us, or you could directly visit Title IX for confidentiality. Yep. Respect for diversity. Diversity makes life interesting, right? Value diversity. Let your default be respect. Shocker alert system. So get the emergency information you need instantly and effortlessly with the Shocker alert system. Sign up for the Shocker alert system. It will give you the weather emergencies and stuff like that to your mail. So just sign up for the emails. Plan project. So we'll be done in a team, 1 to 5 people. I mean, you can't exceed the project group more than 5 persons. So these are the projects were done previously: fall 2023 to fall 2024, cloud distributed processing; spring 2023, convolutional coded testing; fall 2022, implementing data compression algorithms; spring 2022, concepts called visualization and from Power BI; fall 2021, distributed data projects; and for this spring 2025, that's fall 2023, I guess. The current plan is distributed databases for now. This might change. Yeah, we're gonna change that. Yeah, maybe building RAID 6 in Python file or something like that. Yeah, because this, yeah, distributed databases may have a lot of workload on you, so we may change that. Yeah. And interesting and funny data storage news, you can very well go up there and see what's. Yeah, not yet. Clock ticking for TikTok as US Supreme Court upholds ban. And then we, we're not sure if it's going away. Let's see. Let's see what happens. This is interesting. Government acquires half of TikTok. Yeah. I don't know. The TikTok is not government. How can government own TikTok? Yeah, but that's not banned for now. Yeah. So that's some funny news. You can just, yeah. So you can just go to the links and read if you find that interesting. So here are some funny news. Google crashes. Yep. In the past, yeah. ChatGPT is getting stupider. Maybe for this small homework last semester. So someone just given it the question, and the ChatGPT answered like 4 pages. 4, yeah, that's, and there's nothing in that. It's getting stupider, maybe. We don't know. NASA shouts at spacecraft. Oops. And we have some more articles. Scary song. HP wipes out 34 million files by accident. So you can just go into that, dig deeper if you find interesting. You can share some stories in class later if you find anything interesting. The story news, I mean, data stories, funny news. So that's the end of course metadata. Yep. Yep. It's just a quick introduction about the course. I'm just gonna end the recording now.